For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a flea market business can be a rewarding venture that combines entrepreneurship, community engagement, and a love for diverse products. With the help of free AI tools, you can streamline the process of setting up your flea market, from planning to marketing and managing the operations. This guide will take you through a detailed step-by-step approach to launching your flea market business using free AI resources to maximize efficiency and reduce costs. Step 1. Define your flea market concept and target audience. Begin by clarifying what kind of flea market you want to create. Consider whether it will focus on antiques, crafts, vintage items, food vendors, or a mix of everything. Also, define your target audience: families, tourists, collectors, or local shoppers. Use ChatGPT to help formulate your business concept by entering a prompt like, "Help me create a detailed concept for a flea market business that targets young families and focuses on handmade crafts and local food vendors." This will generate ideas and descriptions to solidify your vision. Step 2. Conduct market research. Understanding the demand, competition, and customer preferences is essential. Use free AI tools like Google Trends to analyze popular products or themes within flea markets. ChatGPT can help analyze data and competitor information by asking, "Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of flea markets in your city and suggest gaps or opportunities." This will provide insights into what makes successful flea markets in your area and what you could do differently or better. Step 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan will guide your efforts and help secure funding if needed. You can use ChatGPT to draft a business plan by providing a prompt such as, "Create a detailed business plan for a flea market business that includes an executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections." The AI will generate a comprehensive plan you can customize further with your specific details. Step 4. Choose a location and secure permits. The location of your flea market is crucial. Look for accessible, high-traffic areas such as community centers, parking lots, or parks. Use free AI mapping tools like Google Maps to scout potential locations and analyze accessibility and nearby amenities. For legal compliance, use ChatGPT to draft inquiries or checklists for permits and licenses by prompting, "What permits and licenses do I need to start a flea market business in your city/state?" This will give you a checklist of the paperwork you need to prepare. Step 5. Develop vendor policies and recruitment strategy. Setting clear vendor policies regarding fees, stall sizes, and product types will help maintain order and quality. Use ChatGPT to draft a vendor agreement by asking, "Generate a vendor agreement template for a flea market including stall rental terms, rules, and code of conduct." To attract vendors, craft compelling outreach messages using AI. For example, write a persuasive email inviting local artisans and sellers to join a new flea market focused on handmade and vintage goods. Step 6. Plan your marketing strategy. To attract both vendors and customers, create a marketing plan. ChatGPT can help generate marketing ideas by prompting, "Develop a marketing plan for launching a flea market that includes social media strategies, local partnerships, and promotional events." For social media content, use AI-powered tools like Canva's free version for designing posts and flyers, and ChatGPT to draft engaging captions or event descriptions. For example, ask, "Write a Facebook post to announce the opening of a new flea market featuring local vendors and family-friendly activities." Step 7. Set up online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is vital. Use free website builders like Wix or WordPress.com to create a simple website with market details, vendor applications, event dates, and contact information. Use ChatGPT to help generate website copy by entering, "Write website content for a flea market homepage that highlights vendor diversity, community atmosphere, and upcoming events." Also, set up social media profiles on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and automate posts with tools like Buffer's free plan. Step 8. Organize logistics and operations. Plan the layout of your flea market, parking, signage, and facilities such as restrooms and seating areas. Use AI drawing tools like Google Jamboard or Sketchpad, free online tools, to design your site layout. Ask ChatGPT, help me create a detailed operational checklist for running a flea market event, including vendor setup, customer flow, security, and cleanup. This will help ensure smooth day-of-event management. Step 9. Prepare financial management tools. Track your income, expenses, and vendor payments accurately. Use free AI-based spreadsheet templates available in Google Sheets, which can incorporate basic formulas to automate calculations. Ask ChatGPT. Create a financial spreadsheet template for a flea market business, including vendor fees, expenses, and revenue projections. You can customize this template for your specific needs. Step 10. Launch and collect feedback. After you launch your flea market, use AI to gather customer and vendor feedback efficiently. Tools like Google Forms are free and easy to set up for surveys. Use ChatGPT to generate survey questions such as, create a customer feedback survey for a flea market that assesses vendor variety, pricing, atmosphere, and overall satisfaction. Analyze the feedback with ChatGPT by entering. Summarize the key insights from this flea market customer feedback data. Use this information to improve your market continuously. Starting a flea market business can be simplified and enhanced by using free AI tools at every step. From conceptualizing and planning to marketing and managing operations, AI offers a wealth of resources that save time and provide creative insights. By carefully defining your niche, researching your market, crafting a solid business plan, and building a vibrant community of vendors and customers, your flea market can become a cherished local destination. Remember, the key to success is ongoing adaptation based on feedback and a strong focus on the experience you create for everyone involved. With AI as your assistant, you're well equipped to turn your flea market vision into reality. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.